So here's Atom's app, Atoms from Atomic Habits. So you can just open it up, and if you want to create an account, you can just tap on your profile in top left, and then that's just what it is. You can, by the way, you can use it absolutely as a guest user without need to create an account, and then you can just tap. If you still want an account, you can tap and create an account, and then just you select either Apple, Google, or email, and just do this without an account. So you just have that. So then you can just create it, and then you can just create your name, and then you add your last name if you wanna. But again, this is not necessary. You can also skip your profile photo, and then you have your account here. So yep, kind of like that. Then you just create it. If you don't like your account, you can just tap delete your account and data from here. Yeah, and by the way, so this is pretty cool app, to track your habits, to add your habits based on the Atomic Habits book, which is like a famous book. And then also you can create a habit, you can replace a bad habit. So that's just where you have that. Then you can also track your progress. You can see all the habit progress, how it works. You can see your identity and all of the things based on the book. So it's not just like, some note-taking app. This is the app about how to create great habits, how to create habits which you really can achieve and do in regularly. So yep, and then there is like your library access, but a lot of these features are only accessible for like 28-day pro trial. Then you will need either to upgrade or you can downgrade to the free version, which is you can still use it, but you can only do one habit at the free version.